Hello friends, this is me, Vijay Chan, a faculty of JK Study. Friends, we're gonna start a series for MCQs for the upcoming JK SSB Account Assistant exam. This will include the most important current affairs from local, national and international level. In this video, we are going to discuss current affairs for January 2021. This is part 1. More parts will follow. We will have a separate series for local current affairs. In this video, there are going to be some local current affairs as well, but mostly the local current affairs will be covered in a separate series. So friends, let's start. Question number 1 is, Armed Forces of which country took part in Republic Day Parade of India in 2021? Option A is Indonesia, option B is Bhutan, option C is Bangladesh, option D is Malaysia. The correct answer is C, Bangladesh. Bangladeshi Armed Forces took part in Republic Day Parade of India in 2021. Question number 2 is, first indoor ski park in India is situated at option A Kargil, option B Leh, option C Gulmarg, option D Kufri. फ्रेंड्स, जहां आप यहां देखेंगे, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ कि ऑप्शन ए कारगिल है, बी लेह और सी गुलमर्ग है, इसमें गलती से भी इस लॉजिक के साथ इनमें से कोई चूज ना करिएगा कि आंसर किसी एक लोकल प्लेस से ही होगा, क्योंकि आपको करंट अफेयर्स नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल लेवल से भी आएंगे, तो जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर लोकल जगहों के नाम दिए हैं तो आंसर वही हो। इस क्वेश्चन में आपका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, कुफरी। कुफरी हिमाचल प्रदेश का एक हिल स्टेशन है। यहाँ पे स्की पार्क बनाई जा रही है, अभी पूरी तरीके से बनी नहीं है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज, व्हाट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट इंडियन फ्रेट ट्रेन कॉल्ड एज? लॉन्गेस्ट इंडियन फ्रेट ट्रेन यानी कि मालगाड़ी सबसे लंबी कौन सी है? Option A is Sheshnag, option B is Gatiman, option C is Vasukinag, option D is Tejas. Here the correct answer is Vasukinag. Friends, earlier it was Sheshnag, but after January 2020 the longest freight train is Vasukinag. Its length is 3.5 kilometer and it has 295 coaches. 295 coaches. 295 coaches and 3.5 kilometer in length. Gatiman was earlier India's fastest train, and Tejas was the first private train of India. Okay. Coming to the next slide. Largest floating solar project is located at option A Patna, option B Ahmedabad, option C Omkareshwar, option D Bhubaneswar. The correct answer is Omkareshwar. Omkareshwar is in Madhya Pradesh. First solar project, that is largest solar project, not first, largest floating solar project is located in Omkareshwar, which is located at Madhya Pradesh. Question number 5. Current Chief Justice of J&K High Court is, so this is a local current affair. Current Chief Justice of J&K High Court is option A Geeta Mittal, option B Pankaj Mittal, option C Pramod Desai, option D Altaf Khande. So when the Panchayat Account Assistant exams were happening, then Geeta Mittal was the Chief Justice. Geeta Mittal is also the first female Chief Justice of J&K High Court. But now the correct answer is Pankaj Mittal. Correct answer is Pankaj Mittal. Pankaj Mittal is the new Chief Justice of J&K High Court. Question number 6. Which state tableau got the first prize in Republic Day Parade? Option A UP, option B Bihar, option C J&K, option D Assam. So the correct answer is A UP. Ram Mandir tableau of UP got the first prize in Republic Day Parade. Ram Mandir Jhanki. Ram Mandir tableau got the first prize in Republic Day Parade of 2021, which belonged to UP state. Question number 7. Ghulam Mustafa Khan recently died. Who was he? A classical dancer, a choreographer, a film producer, or a classical singer? Friends, Ghulam Mustafa Khan was a classical singer, Hindustani classical singer who recently died. Question number 8. Which state came first in India Innovation Index? Which state came first in India Innovation Index? Your options are A Madhya Pradesh, B Kerala, C Maharashtra, and D Karnataka. The correct answer is A Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh got the first prize in India Innovation Index. Question number 9 is, who got Mahavir Chakra on 72nd Republic Day? Option A Colonel Santosh Babu, option B Rifle Aurangzeb, option C M Kariyappa, option D Machi Dar. Friends, the correct answer is Colonel Santosh Babu. Colonel Santosh Babu was the commander of the Indian contingent which got into the scuffle with the Chinese troops at Galwan Valley, which resulted in the death of many Indian soldiers, and an unidentified number of Chinese troops also had casualties in this scuffle. Question number 10 is, Mukhyamantri Matikala Yojana was launched by the government of A. Delhi, B. UP, C. Jharkhand, D. Bihar. Friends, all the MCQs regarding different yojanas or schemes launched by different states are very, very important for the exams. At least 2 questions are definitely going to be asked from yojanas in the upcoming JKSSB exam. The correct answer here is B. UP. UP government launched the Matikala Yojana for the potters of the state. Question number 11. What is the rank of India in Henley Passport Index? Friends, Henley Passport Index shows how easy is for a citizen of a particular country to travel abroad. The strength of the passport determines how easily a person can go abroad. So Henley Passport Index signifies that strength. The rank of India in Henley Passport Index is 85. So Indian passport is pretty weak in this index. Number 1 rank goes to Japan. Japan has the strongest passport in the world. Number 1 rank in Henley Passport Index goes to Japan. This can also be asked. And the Indian rank is 85th. So question number 12 is, National Voters Day is celebrated on 25th of January, 15th of January, 16th of January or 23rd of January. 15th of January is Army Day. Definitely this is not going to be our answer. 25th of January. 25th of January is the correct answer. The 25th of January is the National Voters Day. Coming to the next question, number 13. Which movie won the Golden Peacock Award at the 51st International Film Festival? Option A, Nomadland. Option B, Neerja. Option C, Into the Darkness. Option D, Joker. Friends, the correct answer is option C, Into the Darkness. Question number 14. Who recently won the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy? Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy is a T20 tournament which is domestically held in India. It's different from IPL as it involves various states and union territories playing for the T20 trophy. Option A is Tamil Nadu, option B is Maharashtra, option C is Saurashtra, option D is Karnataka. The correct answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Question number 15. Ratle Hydroelectric Power Project is located at option A, Doda, option B, Kishtwar, option C, Uri, option D, Kathua. The correct answer is option B, Kishtwar. Ratle Power Project is on Chenab River. Okay. This concludes the first part for January 2021 current affairs. In next part, we will discuss further 15 questions. Till then, keep studying and enjoy your life and be safe in your homes. Thank you very much.